What's up guys, Judy Manor from TechnoViscuit here in the review of Beats by Dr. Dre Pro Edition. The first thing you might notice when you hold the Beats Pro is the size and how solid it feels. It's look like pretty much like the aluminum MacBook Pro and the first generation iPhone. And only Pro made by Beats Dr. Dre, made by aluminum, and more thicker than Beats Solo and Studio. As you see, at the top of the Beats is the Beats by Dr. Dre, and at this side, the Monster logo, Beats logo, and Beats logo again. And the cool feature is the dual port system. You can sync another headphone here and you can hear song. And it's comfortable and good in bass. And the sound quality is good. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share. Peace, man. Peace.